Hello friends, today we discuss about biogeochemical cycle. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Introduction. Major functions of the ecosystems are nutrient cycles and energy flow. The Earth's components are constantly recycled. The essential ingredients that make up organisms are oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. The word bio means living, geo means rock and chemical means elements. This these lines said about nutrient cycles and energy flow. In ecosystems, the components are constantly recycles. Components means oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. And so, the main important point is what is biogeochemical cycle. The definition is the biogeochemical cycles. The cycle the exchange of materials between living organism and their non-living organisms. Therefore, the nutrients are never lost from the ecosystems. It includes the movement of nutrients elements through various components of an ecosystems. This paragraph said about transfer the materials from living organism to non-living organism. This is simply called biogeochemical cycles. What is biogeochemical cycle? It simply means transfer the materials from living organism to non-living organisms. Materials are oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. So this line is most important. Next, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus make up 97% of our body's mass and more than 95% of mass of all the living species. 97% of our body's mass and more than 95% mass of living species. यही कहना चाहता है बहुत बायोजेकमिकल साइकिल्स यही होता है कि जहाँ पर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म तक जो मटेरियल्स ट्रांसफ़र होता है, मटेरियल्स मीन्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स ट्रांसफ़र होता है, इसे बोलते हैं बायोजेकमिकल साइकिल्स. नेक्स्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट साइकिल्स. Types of nutrient cycles based on replacement period and based on nature or reservoirs. Based on replacing periods, perfect cycle and imperfect cycle. Based on nature reservoirs, gaseous cycles and sedimentary cycles. Perfect cycles, nutrients are replaced fast as they are utilized. Example, most gaseous cycles. And imperfect cycles, some nutrients are lost from the cycles. Example, sedimentary cycle. gaseous cycle है those जो hydrological cycle, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle. And imperfect cycle, sedimentary cycles are related to rock related imperfect cycles. And based on reservoirs, gaseous cycles are carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, etc. and the nitrogen cycles. And the reservoirs is in the atmosphere. And sedimentary cycles, reservoirs in the earth crust. Example, phosphorus cycles and sulfur cycle. It's related to earth crust. Sedimentary cycles. Yet यहाँ पर imperfect cycle and the sedimentary cycle are same. Nutrient cycle lost from cycle, sedimentary cycles. Nutrients are lost from the cycle. Okay. So this is important. Next, what is carbon cycles? The carbon cycle displays the constant flow of carbon atoms from atmosphere to the earth and back again. Our plants and its atmosphere are of closed system. Hence, the amount of carbon in this system is constant. Carbon's positions, whether in the atmosphere or on earth, is always shifting. This paragraph said about the carbons are not constant. Each flow from carbon atoms to atmosphere and then atmosphere to the earth. Atmosphere means earth and back again atmosphere. It means जो कार्बन होता है, कार्बन एटम्स होता है, वो एटमॉस्फेयर पर ट्रांसफ़र होता है और एटमॉस्फेयर से फिर से अर्थ में अगेन आ जाता है. देन बैक, then transfer again atmosphere. So it's called carbon cycles. Oceans contain 71% of carbon. सागर 71% कार्बन कवर करता है. सागर में पाई जाती है। देन दिस मेराइन रिजर्वर रेगुलेट्स द क्वांटिटी ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर। जो मेराइन इकोसिस्टम होता है वहाँ पर ज़्यादातर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के ज़्यादा होता है, एंड जो एटमॉस्फेयर होते हैं वहाँ पर ओनली 1% कार्बन मिलते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, CO2 मीन्स। Decomposer contributes significantly to CO2 pool by digesting garbage and dead organism matters on land or in the water. Decomposers को जो डाइजेस्ट करता है, CO2 डाइजेस्ट करने में डिकम्पोजर्स को हेल्प करता है, एंड डेड ऑर्गेनिजम्स को जो डिकम्पोज करता है वो होता है CO2 जो हेल्प करता है। This diagram said about carbon cycles: animal respirations, plants respirations, then root respirations, and dead organisms and water products. Any cycling process we see about, then dying organisms, photosynthesis, sunlight जो आता है, जो उसके बाद डेड ऑर्गेनिजम्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड्स absorb carbon dioxide, tree absorb carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide auto and factory emissions, carbon dioxide, then carbon dioxide absorb tree and decaying organisms, and decaying organisms means that convert to dead organisms and waste products, then fossils and fuels breathe. So it's a cycle. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel.